upcycle. Kaya naman tawagin natin sila Anton Mercado para alamin ang devotion nito. Good morning, Anton. Yan. Welcome to Good Morning, Anton. Para nagsimula na magawa mo ng furniture na nagawa sa Capcom office. Ito ang isipan mo doon.
So basically, my college, kaya naman,
Pinipili niyo ba ito sa mga saan sinusource ka? So yung pag-design, syempre may prototype na. Diba? You first start with an idea, and then syempre hindi mo alam kung mag-work mo hindi. Diba? So yun ay yung furniture, paano niya, napaka-interesting ko yung gawa ninyo. Paano niya naging realidad na ganyan katibay, pwede mo
basically yung designer, we're all
this year?
he knows the hardware when he designed that,
Ay, halika, strength of the product. Yun, kaya ba mabibigay dito? Can you,
this is the Pegatron, no?
galing, no? Parang mali niya na kayo ni Coco Gwen yan. Ano kayo mali ko sa kahoy?
Basically,
Ako nakatry? Magdadal ka dyan. Ganun sa kahoy.
the difference from kahoy is that it's more eco-friendly yung sinabi ko, the flow of guts.
Sexy. Okay.
Tapos, cardboard is easier to manipulate than kahoy. Basically, ito lahat, it's just butter, glue, little
Itong glue lang ito.
Yeah, that's
Oo, kasi nga hindi naman pwede itong ipaako, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero siya, so ibig sabihin, indoor siya. Kasi syempre papel, so hindi siya pwedeng outdoor.
It's water resistant.
Water resistant yan?
Yeah. All of these furniture namin, 450 years. So, that means it's matibay. And pag nabasa yan, so, for the big chair, there's mga 60. And then for lamp therapy, this one's 7,000. For these, 1,000. Then this one, this is our best friend. 1,000.
Kasi, 1,000 yan.
Actually, this is for the lamp.
Ah, yes, the bigger ones. Itong maliit na rocking chair.
That's 1,000 pesos. It's a kitty rocking chair na sitting table. That's 1,000.
So, ganyan yan as is walang color. You don't put any palamutin designs, please, or
We're
whatever.
looking into kulay in the future. We can also put it up.
Ayun, di ba? Oo, yeah, maganda pag may graphics. So, pwede mo magpa-customize.
Yeah, actually, you can, our number will be below. You can call it.
But you're on Facebook.
Yeah, we're on Facebook also regarding.
I'm
I'm 10 years old.
So, this was created 10 years ago.
Actually, this year.
This yun ay sa bagong galing talaga ng mga Filipino youth. Diba? So, dapat sumali din sa mga trade fairs. Diba?
Contacting on the side.
That's how to market. Anton, para sa mga gusto mag-negosyo na ganito na klase ng mga furniture dito, mga cardboard box, ano mga unang kakailanganin maliban sa materials ng Anton at papel?
Basically, you just need to do the same. Kailangan pag-isip ko yung so, and then yung basic cardboard, industrial, and then susunod sa pag-ipan sila.
So, ilan na ito nyo?
They're really skilled talaga.
Lima lang gumagawa ng ganyan kahihirap mo yan.
sa mga kayo sa Lucia Pasig, ha? Bago tayo mag-conduct ng belated happy birthday dito sa ating kapitan na si Ma.